new thing came out, actually two. I still haven't figured out that airbag light. I think there's a switch somewhere disconnected, but today's video is about this rear right door ajar. There's a message and there's a icon over here showing the door, even though it's a rear door, but I guess they didn't come up with the new light. It's showing the door on the left, but the message says rear right door ajar. And it's raining, so I'm still gonna check out. It's raining pretty bad, so I don't know if this is gonna be a problem or there's something else, but it was driving me nuts driving all the way over here, and it's just on and off, on and off. So it's not just, if it would be just on like this, so you can clear that light by just pushing on, okay, I mean it disappears. That open door icon still on, but when you're driving, I guess it's, you know, just shaking a little bit and just goes on and off, on and off, on and off, and it just beep, beep, beep. It just like, it's just crazy. Anyway, so obviously right now it's raining pretty bad, so I'm gonna wait until you're gonna stop, or maybe I'm moving to the truck stop right now. See if I can locate something over there. Okay, so as you can see, door closed right now, but the lights are on and even blinking a little bit. So right here, see? Yeah, right here. This is very very annoying, and let's see if I can figure out this problem. And the problem, I think, is this little, let me get the camera in here. See this? Right here. There's no light, but anyway. Apparently the latch has a plastic casing on it, and because it's rubbing over the time, it could be doing this kind of stuff. So let's see if it has. Oops. Okay, so it's still blinking. Basically, let's double check something. The switch, the ajar, is located right here inside the door, and to double check if the switch is working, you just lock the door. Should click, actually the other way, 1, 2, and at this point the vehicle should think that the door is locked, but it's not. So let's think it's closed and light came on again. So the scratching and doing stuff is not helping. So I'm going back to this stuff that I already showed you once, and just sensor is somewhere in there. Oops. Not exactly sure where I'm guessing it should line up. It's somewhere over here at the top. Okay, so we're gonna try to do, before closing the door, locking this thing. Two, see? Nope. That didn't help. Let's go with the closing doors. Maybe I didn't click it. Well, let's clean it in a closed position. Yeah, that didn't help. So I got home, and it's been 2 days and 1,000 miles later after I used the cleaner on that latch, and everything is working so far. Is right here. There's no light. The door's working, the latch is working. So to sum up, I strongly recommend do not use that option digging in there in that latch, because I don't think it's gonna help unless like a really big chunk of that. Basically what it is, the latch has like a, looks like a plastic casing, and over the time it actually wears out, and when you look at it you think there's something is loose over there, but that did not help me. Actually the cleaner helped. Again, I will leave the updates later on in this video. We'll see how long it's gonna last, but like I said, it's been 2 days since then. Obviously it's not raining right now, it's a really nice weather over here in Indiana, and the cleaner looks like it worked, it did the trick. So anyway, if this video was helpful for you, shoot me a like, and don't forget subscribe to the channel, and the description of the cleaner, or the link for that cleaner where you can buy it, you can find it over there on in the description for this video. Thank you and good luck.